Cold weather leads to increased skin dryness and cracking, as the moisture decreases, and the water in the skin evaporates, leaving the skin looking dry, and thus more prone to irritation and itching. Dry skin can be noticed in more areas than others, such as the hands, heels, and elbows, and dryness on the face appears in many people. Dry skin can be overcome in the winter by drinking large amounts of water throughout the day, in addition to eating vegetables and fruits that contain a large proportion of water, such as cucumbers and oranges. It is possible to drink hot drinks that help in warming the body and ensure that the body lost fluids. In addition to foods and drinks that protect the skin from dehydration, it is advised to apply a moisturizing cream for the skin, and choose a type that does not contain harmful chemicals or perfumes, using natural moisturizers which are applied to the skin and massaged to obtain the necessary moisture. Let's start with a pretty basic recipe. With this honey face pack for glowing skin, we are sure you must be feeling soothed just with the mention of these two ingredients. While you are not wrong to feel that way, both honey and rosewater are extremely nourishing and skin repairing ingredients, for good reason. They also give a radiant glow to the skin, something that you may otherwise lose in winters. Take 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of rosewater, mix the two together, apply this uniformly on the face and neck, leave it on for 10 minutes, and wash it off with plain water. Use it every day for the best results.